do you even do around here besides interrupt people?
Well, I serve as treasurer to the union. I make a wicked pot of decaf.
Exactly. You're a worthless piece of shit!
What's up guys, it's Aiden, and Lil Tjay just made a song called 2020 and I want to go through it with you today, but I'll also leave the FLP in the description if you want to check that out too. Firstly, we have the piano, which is created on Nexus. It's the PN Nexus Grand Piano Soft, which is the native preset to Nexus. This song was probably created with a real grand piano, but the PN Nexus Grand Piano Soft is a really good preset if you're looking to emulate that realistic sound that you hear in his song. I'm not going to go through the progression of the piano in this song just because there's so much stuff to cover, but I'll leave the FLP in the description. You can have a further in-depth look at it there. In terms of filters, I put on Free Reverb 2 and I brought up the size, that way it flows a bit nicer throughout the song. Then I put on RC Retro Color and Parametric EQ 2 and I brought the mids down just a little bit. Next up we have the 808 and the kick, which play together. I use the official Spence 808, which is a really popular 808 right now. You'll find that in so many songs at the moment. I put it on my mixer and I use Soundgodizer, Parametric EQ 2, and I got rid of some of the highs, and then Fruity Blood Overdrive, and I brought up the preamp. Not too much, because then it can just start sounding crazy, but a little bit goes a long way. And then finally I put on Pretty Limiter, and that's used for sidechaining. So you can see that purple area, that's what's not being played. So for the kick, I created this really inoffensive kick that works really well and doesn't stick out. Next up we have the hi-hat. This is just a standard hi-hat and it's got descending half steps at the end. And that plays with rim shots, a descending snare, claps, and an open hi-hat. So together the percussion sounds like this. That's all I wanted to go through in this video. I'll play you a clip from the song now. Thanks for watching guys, I really appreciate it. Make sure to like and subscribe if you enjoy the video, and I'll see you guys next time.